A simple guide to become a successful graphic designer. Design is an important part of our lives, and graphic designers are professionals who are employed to create effective designs. They use their skill, creativity, and imagination to enhance the visual appeal of many areas, such as print media, websites, and products. How do graphic designers go about doing their job? Graphic designers get a lot of hate from the internet. Graphic design is perceived to be an easy field, and something anyone can do. However, if you are aware of the various graphic design tools that are out there, you will note that it is one of the most demanding professions out there. These tools help you create stunning visuals and deliver them to your clients in any format they need. The demand for graphic design is expected to rise in the coming years because of the growing popularity of e-commerce, which will lead to more product packaging and other visual content. If you want to make it as a designer, you need to be constantly learning and educating yourself in the field. It is essential to learn the basics of design before you specialize in one particular type of design: graphic design, web design, logo design, etc. This is no different than any other industry. You wouldn't expect to go work for a high-level law firm without a college education or many years of experience. The same applies to graphic designers. Graphic design online courses. Online design courses offer a great way to get hands-on skills, and it is a fun way to learn. For those who have no experience in the field of design, it may be intimidating to learn on their own. This is especially true for those who have little or no background in the subject. Taking online design courses will help remove that intimidation factor, as well as allow you to learn from an expert. With online courses, you can learn from home from the comfort of your device. You can set your hours and pace for learning, and practice what you pick a field in graphic design to specialize in. Graphic design is a great profession to get into because it's very diverse. It encompasses many different styles, mediums, and media. You can specialize in a specific area of graphic design, or you can choose to be a generalist and work with clients on all of their design needs. The best way to become a specialist in the graphic design industry is to learn what your clients are looking for, and then provide them with that service. There are a lot of different niches in the design industry, from brochure design to logo creation and beyond. Once you have established yourself as an expert in, join graphic design online groups. In the graphic design industry, you need to join online groups and communities that are dedicated to your niche. If you are in charge of creating visual content for your own company, you can use groups and communities to find inspiration and submit your work. This way, you will be able to get more exposure and join a community of like-minded designers. You can also ask questions related to your field or simply share your experience with other designers. Getting feedback from others is an excellent way of improving your graphic design skills. It helps you redefine the way you do things and compare them with what other must read books about design. Designing is a lot more than just creating a pretty picture. There are many reasons why a product or service can fail, and one of them is the design. Design is one of the most important parts of your business. If you want to be good at designing, you need to know how to analyze and think about what you're doing objectively. Reading books and learning from different designers will help you do that. Give your previous works a critical review. Get a friend who is not in the design industry to review your graphic design works and give you objective criticism. Make a portfolio for your work. Every designer has a portfolio and every designer wants to have a great portfolio. But, what is a portfolio? A portfolio is something that showcases your best work. People are visual beings and they respond to beautiful design. If you want to get clients or get noticed by an employer, you must put together an excellent portfolio. If you're wondering how to make that happen, then you've come to the right place. In this article, I'll be going over how I made my own portfolio, how I used it to get great results in interviews. Search for a competition. A good graphic design competition is challenging, has a short deadline, and gives you the chance to expose your work to a new audience. You can enter as many or as few competitions as you like, but the best contests will have you creating specific pieces of artwork for a client in a very short time. The main benefit of entering graphic design competitions is that they allow you to build your portfolio and gain more exposure for your work. If you're new to freelancing, entering a few competitions may be just what you need to get started on the right foot.